Hey, what's up everyone? Thanks so much for tuning in. So today we're going to take a look at the Vilo Mesh Wi-Fi System. Now this is a 3-pack, which will allow you to get up to 4,500 square feet of coverage, which is amazing for 2.4 and 5G for your home Wi-Fi. That is awesome. But when I opened this box, I said, there's 3 of these devices in there. This has to be the smallest and definitely the most affordable mesh Wi-Fi system that I've seen to date. And it offers a bunch of different things. So built into the main device, there's 3 gigabit ports from what it says, that 4,500 square feet of coverage. There's built-in parental controls. You get an app to control everything. It will allow up to 120 different devices to connect to it. You can do guest networks and a ton of different things. So we're gonna find that out in the review video, but right now in this video here, we're gonna go ahead and take a look and see what's in the box. So right here we have the Vilo Mesh Wi-Fi System. We have the getting started guide. First thing that we open up is the power supplies. Now you can buy this in 1, 2, and 3 packs. This is the 3-pack for bigger coverage. And now each of these devices look essentially the same. So they all have the 3 gigabit ports, which I'm going to show you on the back, but they're about 8 inches tall, relatively lightweight, no external antennas, just the 3 ports and a power supply port on the back there, a QR code to get started with the app to easily set it up, I guess. So we'll find that out in the review coming soon. Make sure to look for that. But that's what they look like. You set them up in different areas around the house. That's how mesh Wi-Fi works. It creates one big, fast network, but a really awesome looking, lightweight, clean, and sleek looking system. I'm looking forward to checking it out. So that's the Vilo Mesh Wi-Fi System. Thanks so much for watching, and that's what's in the box.